Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 3rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar monthly, on the monthly, I'm still very bullish. I still think this is more likely to continue the trend. I still think it's more likely eventually going to take out these highs and end up all the way up to one of these higher Fibonacci extension levels. I still think this is going to end up being an expanding wave C or an expanding flat. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we've definitely been going down for several weeks, and I would definitely still primarily be looking for shorts. I still think this right here is a wave 1. I still think this is an expanding flat wave 2 in the middle right here. Higher high wave B, lower low wave C definitely looks like an expanding flat. If that's true, that means this first push up is a 1. That means that this push down right here is a 2, and that eventually it's going to go up for a big giant wave 3. So let's take a look at it on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we're definitely going up a little bit over the last day, but I still think that we're in a downtrend. I still think this 5 waves up is a 1. I still think this is a wave A. I still think this is a 1, 2, 3 pattern to the upside, wave B. I still think we're in a wave C, which it definitely could respect to 61.8, turn back up, ending a wave 2 and continue in the uptrend. Or it could possibly go down to the 78.6. Either way, I definitely think we're going to recognize when this wave C is over, and we're definitely going to stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs for the big old wave 3. So taking it down to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, I'm personally definitely still looking for shorts in a downtrend. This move up is pretty impulsive, but it does have a little bit of a 3-wave shape to it. I think there is a chance that we definitely, either scenario, we should have some more downside potential. So I definitely am still looking for shorts in a downtrend. Let's take it right down to the 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last series of lower lows, lower highs, which is almost a perfect 5-way pattern right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I think this move up is very likely to be a correction to this last 5 waves down. Definitely impulsive up, looks like a wave A. This could have already made an ABC correction. We bounced out to 61.8. Now, I would like to see a nice clear break of structure to the downside to confirm that this really is the end of a correction, which we definitely don't have yet. It looks like 3 waves up. It looks like a Fibonacci bounce. It looks like it should end up continuing back down. I wouldn't be surprised at all if it did actually go up before it went down one more time, but it looks like 3 waves up. I'm definitely looking for shorts based on the higher time frames. 3 waves up and pulsed down at a Fibonacci level is always an entry to go short for me for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here below. As always, thank you and happy trading.